On the 29th day of the 12th lunar month, the temperature drops suddenly. Yo Wenfeng is putting Japanese sturgeon, grown in the Heilong River, into the snow. Going back to the room, she picks up her needle and sews a few extra lines. The kids can wear new clothes soon. To make clothes from fish skin is a tradition of the Hezhe people. Having seen 60 New Years, Yo Wenfeng still makes her children new clothes each year. This is an unusual gift. Making fish skin clothes is a complex process. As soon as spring came, Yo Wenfeng was making preparations. There aren't many mosquitoes in spring, making it the perfect weather for air curing. After the skin is removed, the fresh fish is dried and stripped. This is also an indispensable dish at the Spring Festival feast. After the fish skin has been cured, it must be immediately laid over maize flour. The maize flour can absorb the oil, reduce the fishy smell, help remove the scales, and speed up the process of fibrosis. Only after a real good beating has the fish skin been truly tamed and has become as soft as cloth. Amongst a population of less than 4,000 Hezhe people, those that can make fish skin clothes are very few. Yo Wenfeng's mother, Yo Sui-yu, was the only elderly Hezhe person that can make fish skin clothes in Hezhe settlements. After Yo Sui-yu died, Yo Wenfeng inherited this handicraft. Since the Shang and Zhou dynasties, the Hezhe people have lived for generations along the banks of Sanjiangkou, which is a point of convergence of the Heilong, Songhua, and Wusuli rivers. While fishing and hunting, due to the lack of cotton fabrics, fish skin was used to make clothes to shield off wind and cold. Fish skin clothes are sturdy and cold resistant. Fish skin boots can prevent cold and humidity. They have condensed into local wisdom and become a part of life over the years. Yo Wenfeng brings back the frozen Japanese sturgeon. Fried frozen fish slices used to be her husband's famous dish. Behind the flavor in their memories are many unforgettable stories. Since her husband passed away 3 years ago, Yo Wenfeng has been very lonely. Yi Ma Kan is an ancient art form of talking and singing of the Hezhe people. It has been passed down for generations.
老伴儿就嘱咐我说：“你把姨妈看好好给她都归拢好了验藏，一定要把孩子们都教会。”
Surrounded by her family and hearing the song of Yi Ma Kan, Yo Wenfeng doesn't feel lonely during this spring festival. The spring festival becomes closer and closer in the family's expectations.